Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today I am back with pick a card readings to see the guidance for your day. I hope you all are enjoying the readings, and today before we start the readings and before you connect with the divine, I want both, be it card 1 or card 2 people, to have a bath with a little bit of Himalayan salt and rose oil. If you don't have rose oil, then just add a few rose petals. So have a bath with it, start your day with that, and also start your day with Om Mani Padme Hum. Chant 108 times Om Mani Padme Hum, and be it this card or this card, I just felt guided to tell you all like that. So now we shall go with the guided reading. I shall give you a couple of seconds to select between the set of card 1s and the set of card 2. So I shall give you a couple of seconds. You can decide which card you want to take. Okay, so now let's see card 1. It's a beautiful card. It says Ace of Wands, so maybe everything is going to be good today. Work is also going to be good. There is progress in finances. There is progress in career. There is, I feel, even personal life, everything will be good. I feel as if, you will find that things are sorting out or settling in your life after a long time, and you will feel as if something positive has started today and something good has started coming in my life today when I see this card. So it's actually good. Maybe what you can do is wear something in white today, so that with that mindset, with a clear mindset and with a purity in soul, you will also find everything around you falling in place, and you will find everything coming in your favor. So now let's see what is the abundance card saying. Faith. So again, it's more like, I shall show you the reading. Miraculously, amazingly, everything I need always comes. Love is opening me to receive beyond anything I imagine. So the first card and the second card are in sync. So you need to have faith. When I'm seeing this lotus, if in your city or in your street you can find a lotus, offer this lotus to Ma Lakshmi today and tell her, because of you I am happy and I am abundantly blessed in all aspects for my life. Thank you for always blessing me. Thank you for always being by my side. Just say that and offer her the lotus. I'm sure she'll understand and she'll be very happy. I have picked a fortune cookie for you today. So let's see what the fortune cookie is also saying. It talks about planning. So you need to start planning. So maybe some financial gains will come. As I said, even financially it is good. So financial gains is on the way. So you can start planning your finances based on the gains you're getting. So I'm very happy to see that the cards have come beautifully for you. So wear a white, and anyways the mantra chanting and what bath has to be taken I have said in the starting. Let us see what is in store for people who took card 2. Even for them, it's a beautiful day. They will focus on finances, they will focus on things, but sometimes maybe there is some worry that you were expecting a finance, it came all the way and then it stopped and it is not moving forward. Things are just in a standstill. Or maybe you're expecting a letter from the company where you've attended the interview and you feel the package letter, the offer letter has not come and things are in standstill. But maybe today is not the day. But overall, I feel if you focus on your goals, if you focus on what you need, and if you work towards it, I'm sure you're going to get it, and I'm sure you're going to be successful with it. And you will also be happy that with focus and determination you could get it. Today I would suggest wear the color red, wear something red, and also if possible carry a tiger's eye crystal with you or carry a carnelian crystal with you. Let us see what the abundance cards are saying. Now that's again a beautiful card. When you make divine intelligence your foundation, you finally have fixed a star to follow. So maybe you need to take guidance from someone in your office, your senior, your colleague, your boss, or maybe elders at home as to what is the right way to reach this star, to follow this star and to achieve it. And I'm sure some guidance is coming your way and you will be able to know what is the right way or which is the right track to take and how to be successful in it. Now coming to your fortune card, perseverance. That's another beautiful card. You're not, again here it says patience. So maybe, as I said in the starting, that something which you're expecting is become stagnant, but just wait, and there's a lot of wonderful changes which is coming in your life. So this card is again more like a reaffirmation that just wait and you will see what it is. Don't give up at a time when things are falling in line or coming in your favor. So you all have a great and a blessed day ahead. God bless you all with all the happiness. Thank you.